of nowhere. I can't imagine seeing over a foot of snow in hours. Everything changed so fast. Cold winds, deep snow, and no warning. Keep watching. This storm gets worse, but also more inspiring. Roads turned into white walls. Emergency vehicles struggled just to move. It shows how nature can freeze an entire city. Don't miss what's coming. Some moments will leave you speechless. Power going out in that cold must have been scary. No lights, no heat, and dangerous roads. What a nightmare. Things get even more intense. Watch till the end to see how people fight back. Shelters were full, but crews kept working hard. I respect how people risked so much to help others.